quick and easy pie crust recipe in your own kitchen. It's gonna be edible. Don't worry about it. And if it's not, so what? Put on your best poker face, serve it up. Everybody's gonna be thankful. And if they're not, take away their plate of pumpkin pie. They're gonna stop complaining pretty quick. 2.5 cups of flour. Just a pinch of salt, not a punch. 1 teaspoon of sugar in. La la la. Have some fun when you're making your pie crust. This is fun, it's soothing. Done! Little mixeroo, okay? Butter! Make sure your butter's cold and unsalted. Take your cup of butter, we wanna cube it. Let's try this here. We're gonna try this out. Honestly, I don't have faith in this blender. Whoa, no, pulse. I just turned quick and easy into long, painful, and hard. Calling an audible. So watch this, even after that big cluster, we're gonna be able to save this pie crust, okay? We don't wanna work that too much. This and make this the best pie crust. Okay, a little press, not too much. And sometimes old school is the best. Make the best pie crust that you can in your own kitchen. Boom! Ready? I'm gonna start out by pressing. I go around from the center and I push out towards the exterior. Take your rolling pin, roll away, halfway through the crust, and roll towards you. Roll away, and roll towards you. I wanna have at least an inch rolling pin. Up, take one side, roll over, take the other side, roll over, lift, place in the center, unroll, unroll. Thanks, Mom. My mom taught me that one years ago. So just go ahead, lift up those edges and press just down into the corner. See, excellent. So once that's in there, you're going to take your knife. Now, if you have the edge, there we go. Making a few holes in here just to allow that pie crust to breathe a little bit. Pie crust is ready. It's perfectly fine to leave it like that, but if you want to make this a little bit fancy, pinch, make that a little bit fancier.